Okay, this is your door jig for setting your door handles, all right? The holes represent the spacing for your screws in your door handle. All right, so you measure from center of the hole to the center of the hole, and you put that on the cabinet door, the first one. Okay, and then you put this behind it, lock this in, drill the holes all the way through, and that marks your jig. Okay, then you put the jig up against the face frame and you drill straight through. I will show you how to do that. All right, when you're drilling through, make sure you're holding this level, not to the left, not to the right, not up, not down, as level as you can possibly drill, all right? Go straight through it. Now, you're also pushing your jig to it, and then up and to it so it's locked in place so it doesn't move. All right, now let's see. Will this line up? Let's check that out. Yes, all right, now I'm going to put the screws through. All right, now I put the screwdriver in the back. Get it lined up. All right, now get it started. Okay, now I'm going to do another one where it's going to be off. It's going to have a slight angle on it, and I'll show you how to fix that. Okay, and my screw holes have no play. All right? They have no play. Because this drill bit is just a tiny bit bigger than the actual screw itself. All right, now I'm going to show you what you do if you make a mistake and you have an angle. Okay, look at the bottom screw. There's a slight angle on it. The top one is straight, but you see it's not on center. All right. Okay, look. It's off. So what do I do to adjust it now? If I made my holes bigger, but I want them nice and tight, I'll show you how I'm going to fix this so that it'll adjust like you want it. All right, now there's a slight angle on this, so I'm going to counter it. I'm going to go in straight, and then I'm going to drop down with my drill and kind of pull down on it, kind of go in and out, back and forth. Okay. I've reamed it. The screw is now straight. This is the shortest screws. I put the longer screws in so you can see what the deal, how that worked out. All right, now okay, then I bring this here, and everything lines up, and so I corrected the problem. Now you could make your holes a little bigger in diameter, not much, a little bit, and you'd have more play, more adjustment. But I like them nice and tight. That way there's no movement at all. The wood's holding it. Everything goes around the screw, so there's no play. Okay? Get them snug. Just snug. Now do not over tighten. Just snug where they're tight. Bam! There we are. Solid. And I put bumpers on these back of the doors, so you can hear a nice little bounce. I'm Ken. This is Home Improvement Tips. Like, subscribe, share, save for future reference. Tell a friend. It's a win-win-win. Remember, as always, never give up, because there's always a way, always. And you see that here on this channel. All right, so take care. God bless. Let's keep this government and this world in prayer. Bye for now, and God bless. Mm-hmm.